Thank you for watching this presentation. I am Tsunehiro Arimoto from NTT. In this presentation, I introduce my research about collection and analysis of dialogues provided by two speakers acting as one. Recently, there are many dialogue services provided by operators. We can get advice and information from operators. For example, we get travel information from travel guides. However, there are cases where the operators lack sufficient skills. If the operator's skill is insufficient, the users cannot solve the troubles well. In conventional methods, researchers focused on cooperation with multiple operators. If multiple operators have different skills, they can effectively share roles. Then the user can receive more advanced service. For example, operator A and B can provide more advanced service using both skills than when they were alone. However, the problem is that operators do not learn skills. It is important to explore how to improve operators' skills through such cooperation. Here is our proposed method. In this method, two operators, A and B with different skills talk as one operator. Sometimes operator A speaks, and sometimes operator B speaks. We consider two advantages for this style. The first advantage is operator learning. In this style, operators adjust their utterance to act as one. Therefore, they feel the partner's utterance as if it were their own. It may enhance their skill learning. Users also benefit. It is easy to talk because users talk with only one operator. To evaluate our proposed method, we conducted data collection. We made three conditions: mixed one, 2-to-1, and 1-to-1 conditions. Mixed one condition is our proposed method. In this style, two operators act as one. 2-to-1 and 1-to-1 are baseline conditions. In the 2-to-1 condition, two operators directly talk with the user. In the 1-to-1 condition, one operator talks with the user. As shown below, we prepared two groups of operators. One group participated in 1-to-1 and mixed one. Another group participated in 1-to-1 and 2-to-1. Here is the details of our data. The dialogue was travel guide dialogue about two prefectures in Japan. I mean, in this dialogue, the user obtained tourist spot information about the two prefectures from operators. Each dialogue continued for 10 minutes. The language was Japanese. We collected 144 dialogues. We defined operator skill as travel guide skill. We regard their hometown prefectures as their skill. The operator paired with another operator with different skills. We used Slack as a chat tool. Here is a mixed one example. This dialogue aims to introduce some sightseeing information about Nara and Osaka prefectures in Japan to the user. Nara guide and Osaka guide act as one guide. There are two windows for chatting. One is for main chat between user and two guides acting as one guide. The other is for sub-chat between guides. Two guides used sub-chat to consult when they needed to take turns. This is a response example. User asked, "What sightseeing spots in Nara?" The Nara guide responded like, "In Nara, Nara Park is a famous spot. You can see many deer." When user asked about Osaka like, "Thank you, how about Osaka?" Nara guide and Osaka guide changed their turns. Then Osaka guide answered like, well, in Osaka, I recommend Osaka Castle. Like this, two operators could guide the two prefectures. We used questionnaires to evaluate satisfactions of both operators and users. We used questionnaire items about cooperation satisfaction, difficulty to use, and task satisfaction for users. We analyze operator satisfaction using 3 items. We evaluate the sense of trust, cooperation, and learning using each item. To evaluate the difficulty to use, we used 2 items for operator and user. We also evaluated the user's task satisfaction for getting travel information. Here is the results. We checked the median score of the questionnaire. In operator satisfaction, we found significant differences on 3 items. Operators in mix 2-1 felt more satisfaction than 2-1 in the sense of trust, cooperation, and learning. They felt that they could learn from the other operators. From the results, we found mix 2-1 improves operator satisfaction for learning. In difficulty of use, we confirmed the all median values were lower than neutral. This means that participants didn't feel difficulty in any styles. In task satisfaction of user, there is no significant difference. This may be because the task is too easy for users. Now let me summarize my talk. In this study, we proposed a method where 2 operators act as one. We collected travel guide text chats and analyzed the satisfaction of operators and users. From the analysis, we confirmed the proposed style improved learning satisfaction of operators. We have some future plans. One is objective evaluation. For example, how the learning sense improves task complication has not been evaluated yet. The second is to evaluate other kinds of skills. We focused only travel knowledge skill in this study. Thank you for your listening.